the new Rwandese who came in, we put them aside because we agreed that we will mix them with others only after we have tested them. Prison officers affected in this are in total 48, the ones that we put aside. And these were, 5 from Mombasa, 13 from other places, 10 from Mandera, and 20 from other coastal facilities who had traveled out of the country and were not at work or were on leave by the time the first case was reported. And we put all this aside and insisted they will not go back to work until they have been tested and they have completed their 14-day quarantine. We instituted a very rigid and strict system of testing of prison warders and staff who work within prison facilities. And we immediately raised the level of alertness for the health and access to prison services in the country.